What's the one goal you should have for your boat? What's the one thing you want the boat to do for you? And in 34 years, it's never been written on a work order, I want the boat to do this for me. You want it to float. Well, this one was starting not to float. So it's very, people take for granted things that can happen over time. This is a beautiful Wellcraft, very well maintained. Everything looked great, yet it was going down. So the first thing you want to do is look for any spots in the hull. The hull is great. Somebody has moved the transducer and put screws back in and caulked it. That's a good thing to do. We also left the plug in so the water stayed in. We looked for any water coming out. Strangely enough, no water came out of the boat. You would think the water would come out of the boat because it came in, but in this unique situation it did not. So we also plugged, these are drains for your deck. It's a self-bailing hull, which is really nice. So we filled the water in inside the boat, made sure no water came out of the hose that went to the through hull here. It did not, but we did find the problem. Boat was taken out of the water on Friday, and as you can see, there's still water in there. And we actually tested it. It's salt water, not fresh water. And we are on salt water, so we know it's not rainwater that did it. So here's your deck drain. And down in here, if you can see, there's one on both sides. You got a hose right here. Put it there. Get right in there. So we actually put water in there, made sure it didn't come off. We've seen situations where this hose is broken, the clamp is broken, especially when they use a clamp that has any steel in it and rust out. We saw a brand new boat where they didn't attach the hose. Bad day on the assembly line. Boat sank twice before they figured it out, and it would sink gradually. They'll sink gradually or in rough water because those drains are just about on the rub at the water line. So we're going to take a video of why this thing failed and tell you how we tested it. Notice we said the water did not leak out, but it stayed at a certain level, and it's going to be obvious why once we do our little test. Still looking for a leak, and we find this bait well pump. They put the bait well pump there because you can't prime the water up above the deck, so it has water pressure in it from the bottom of the boat. So we noticed that the water is not leaking out, but it's below the top of the bait well. So what we do when we have somebody outside that's got to throw water at it, okay, go ahead. He's got to put a hose in there, and you can see it's leaking like a sieve. Okay, the top of this housing is broken. So good news, we found the leak. Better news, it's got a valve on it that you can shut off. Of course, the customer had never used the bait well, doesn't care about the bait well. He didn't know about it, he's new to the boat. So leak is over. Do it again. No more leak. Easy fix. He doesn't care about the bait well.